Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect Tradingview and Metatrader 5. Start by installing a compatible bridge and granting API access in MT5. Then configure Tradingview alerts to send webhook messages to the bridge service. Match symbol names and timeframes precisely to avoid mismatches. Test with demo trades to confirm orders execute as expected. I will guide you through each setting so you feel confident making the connection. Set up Metatrader 5 by installing the Bridge Expert Advisor and enabling API or web request access in platform settings. Adjust testing account permissions and allow only trusted localhost or bridge endpoints. Configure lot sizing, slippage, and symbol mappings inside the EA so Tradingview alerts translate correctly to MT5 orders. Keep logs enabled and monitor the journal for any error messages during initial tests to identify mapping or permission problems. In Tradingview, build alerts that include webhook URLs pointing to your bridge endpoint and format the JSON payload with symbol, side, size, and price fields. Ensure the symbol naming matches the MT5 instrument exactly to avoid order rejections. Use Tradingview's alert test feature to send sample payloads and inspect bridge logs. Adjust the payload format and retry until the bridge accepts and forwards the sample orders to your demo MT5 account reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.